Welcome, my friends, to a new recipe and a new exclusive video on YouTube. Goodbye to cake failure, dear viewer. In this recipe, you will be sure of the success of the cake recipe 100%. I am sure that you will be surprised by the ease of this cake and its amazing success and for its delicious taste. We need 4 eggs, and we must separate the egg whites from the yolks, as you can see. Then we add lemon zest and vanilla to the egg yolks. Then, mix them together. The cake will smell very delicious. After that, we beat the egg whites and add 120 grams of sugar to it. Dear, you saw we added the sugar in 3 stages until the mixture becomes like clouds. Dear viewer, I prefer cake with cocoa, but my family prefers it with vanilla. I made this recipe for them. And you, dear follower, do you prefer cake with vanilla or with cocoa? Please write in the comments. I will be very happy when I see your comment. My family was very happy when I made this cake. It is delicious. Dear viewer, we add the high egg yolk to the mixture and go back to whipping, once again, until the mixture rises with us and becomes as you see, my friends. I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments what you think of today's recipe and from which country are you watching me. After that, we add 120 grams of flour and add 3 grams of baking powder to them. After putting the flour and baking powder on top of the mixture, we try to stir the mixture. Gently from the bottom to the top, as you see, dear. Viewer, pay attention to the stirring and try not to let the air out of the mixture. This is very important. When I was making this cake, a friend of mine came to visit us, and he was very happy when he ate a piece of cake with coffee. We need an 18 cm mold and cover it with butter paper as well. You will watch as we empty the mixture into the mold quietly so that the air does not come out of the mixture. The mixture is stirred, as you see, until the cake rises moderately. It is a very easy recipe and does not require much work. As you can see, the baking process requires a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius, and the cake requires 50 to 55 minutes, my friends. An important note, and one of the secrets to the success of the cake, is not to open the oven until the full baking time has finished. Dear viewer, after the baking process is finished, we wait for the cake until it cools. My friends, the color is beautiful, and the smell is very delicious. Write to me in the comments if you like this recipe, my friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for following. I hope you stay in good health, and I wish you a happy day. See you in a new description and a new video. Bye.